Hello guys, this is James. So from our last video, I did a demonstration showing how you can use PayLink to monetize your MCP. But one issue that I've been getting is after monetizing and after charging the tool, we are not sure about the response that we are getting from the tool. Let's say, for example, we have an addition tool or a subtraction tool. Then the result of maybe adding 1 plus 2 should be 3, but now from the MCP, we are getting maybe 10, 100 or something else. So that means the result that we are going to feed back to our agent is incorrect. So that means we are poisoning the agent context. So how do we solve this? So to solve this, I introduced PayLink evaluation. So this allows this adds an evaluation layer that evaluates the MCP response before feeding before feeding that context into our agent and before charging for that tool. You can enable or disable this evaluation, and if it is enabled, that means that we are going to evaluate the result, and if the result is successful, we are going to charge for that tool based on the base cost of the tool, and if it fails, we are going to return a response why it failed. So this is the response that the agent is going to see. And if the evaluation is disabled, that means that we are going to directly charge the tool and return the response back to our agent. So to demonstrate this, I have a simple MCP example. So I have two tools. I have an addition tool and a subtraction tool. Then now to enable evaluation on what was added is you are able to set the base cost, and you are able to set whether evaluation is required for this tool or not. So in this example, the addition tool will run correctly, but now for the subtraction tool, from the subtraction result, I'm adding 100, so that means we are going to get incorrect result. So let's do a test run and see. So that's our request. So the agent is going to call the MCP tool and do the calculation, and you can see that the response is 107. But now in this case, the model, the LLM that I'm using is intelligent such that it is able to know the result of subtracting 3 from 10 is 7 and not 107. But now in a production grade MCP, that this means that you can get incorrect results. So if we go back now to the PayLink platform and refresh this, you will see that this was charged. So this is 658. Yeah, 658, and we charged for that tool. So that's one of the issue. So I want us now to enable the evaluation on our tool. So set this to true, and let me restart my server. And so it is running. So I'll come here and we run the application again. The model will call the tool, then it is executing. But now in this case, you'll notice that we get this tool result failed, evaluation, no charging, and the tool response contained an incorrect result from subtraction issue, blah blah blah. So this means that now we are not going to charge for this tool, and we are able now to return a response to our agent instructing what happened or why we are not able to use the resources from this tool. So if I come back to the agent wallet, you can see we have 7 transactions. If I refresh, we still have 7 transactions, and we are not charging for that call. So yeah, that's all on how you can enable or disable evaluation on PayLink. That comes out of the box, because I feel payment with getting the quality of the result go hand in hand. So Yeah, thank you.